man, that person, like, to be driving a flagging truck, you're a crappy driver. Main Road, Fraser 27, good night. Their left signal's broken too. It's not just the right signal. I'm like going, now they're in 2 lanes. I'm doing 80 in a 60 zone and they're pulling away from me, so who knows how fast they're going. Maybe the speed limit checker is gonna tell us how fast they're going. Disabled. Oh, let's see. No, it's just flashing. That means they're going super fast. It's telling me to slow down. Oh no. So yeah, I slowed down. I'm at 60 now. Oh yay, and I can get their plate and I can call Go Traffic and tell them what a lousy driver they are. So plate number is Mike Tango 5356. 778-222-2200. We'll have to make a call later. Yeah, I'm doing 60. We're on Nordel, the speed limit here, if you look here, maximum 60, and that guy's long gone. Look at him, he's already gotten through that red light. Clearly going way too fast.